What's up, YouTube? So today I got a new unboxing for you guys, and it is a pair of, as you guys can tell from the box, the Nike Air Jordan 1 in the UNC University Blue colorway, and I'm a size 10. So I ordered this from my plug. So let's take the shoes out and then all the details in it. So I bought from this shop. It's called CBD Studios. It's Instagram. It's all the Instagram and all the Facebook page on it. He's a very legit guys. And then there's a thank you letter. So let's take the shoes out real quick. Nothing's inside, just a normal tissue paper. And here you go, guys. A pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 in the University Blue or the UNC Colorway. First impression, I'm amazed with the quality of these sneakers. I don't know if it is a nubuck or a suede materials in these heels and in the blue areas, but the leather is insane, guys. You guys can see here, it's insane. The leather's insane. The suede or the nubuck materials is also insane. I mean, it's pretty comparables to the Jordan 1 Travis Scott High, and it comes with an extra pair of laces in University Blue colorway. Just the Jordan logo, the tongue itself with the Nike Air on it. I'm truly amazed with these sneakers because of the quality is insane, but the resale price is pretty like solid, around $400. But compared to the Mocha, the quality is way better than the dark Mocha. If you guys, the colorway of the dark Mocha might be better, but in my opinion, I prefer the University Blue because of the quality of it. It's insane. Yep. Thank you, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Peace.